Do you ever worry about what other people think about you? Well, today I'm going to help you to change that around. So let's talk about it. Amanda here from createyourfuture.co. So today I'm going to let you know about how you can stop worrying about what people think about you. So if you haven't already subscribed, definitely subscribe, hit the bell icon below because I do put out new videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, each one of them designed to help you create something wonderful in your life. So we've all been there, worrying about what people think about us, okay? Whether it be a job interview, whether it be as a business owner or a salesperson, or whether it be starting a new relationship with somebody, right? Sometimes we worry about what people think about us. Now, you know what? Because everyone is you pushed out, there's no point in worrying about what other people think about you, because if you think you're awesome, they're going to think you're awesome. Okay. So what you want to do is get clear on who you are and get clear on how you want people to see you. Because when you change your inner world and you change the way you're viewing yourself, people are automatically going to see you that way. Okay. So today I was out and about downtown and I'm like, you know what? I'm like, everybody wants to be my friend and everyone thinks I'm awesome because I'm amazing. Right. And I'm walking downtown. Then all of a sudden I go into this store, right? And I'm chatting with this lady, right? And then all of a sudden she's like, you know what? She's like, we should go for lunch sometime. And I'm like, that's great. She's like, I want to because you're awesome. And I was like, thank you. And the funny thing is she's only met me a few times. It's not like she knows me or anything, but that's what she thinks about me. So, and the same thing too, right? When I go places, like I don't worry about what people think about me. I create what I want people to think about me. Okay. So next time you're worrying, what are they going to think about me? Oh no, are they going to think I'm okay? Not okay? Stop yourself. Start answering your own questions. Say, yes, they are going to like me. They are going to think I'm amazing. They're going to think I'm the best thing since sliced bread, because it starts within us. If we feel good about us and we love us, other people are going to feel good and they're going to love us too. Okay. So if you're worried about the guy that you're dating, whether or not he likes you or not, stop and sell yourself. No, of course he likes me. Everyone is me pushed out. And if I say he likes me, he likes me. Because that's how this whole thing works. Okay. So it's so important when we stop and we realize that we have to create how other people are going to see us. So you know what? Take a piece of paper and a pen and start writing down everything how you want people to see you. I want people to see me as a dependable person, somebody with integrity, someone who is responsible, someone who's positive, someone who's funny, someone who cares. Start writing out, and in your mental diet, when you go throughout your day and you're, say, going here and there and you're like, oh, I'm going to go to this like party tonight. Oh, I wonder what this guy's going to think about me. You know what? No, he's going to think I'm the best woman in the world and he can't wait to get my phone number and see me again. Right? Write down, I'm the best girlfriend ever, or boyfriend or whoever, because really, in your reality, you're the only person with any consciousness at all. Nobody else has any consciousness. They have no ability to create intentions or anything like that. They are just strictly messengers that reflect back to you what you're putting out. Okay. I remember when I first started this YouTube channel and I put out a video and I watched it and I was like, you know what? I was like, oh, maybe I should wear makeup. And then I was like, maybe I'm not professional enough. And then all of a sudden, right, out of the blue, somebody phones me. They're like, oh my God, I watched your video. It was a great video. And I'm like, thank you. They're like, but don't you think you should wear makeup? And I was like, right? Then, so one of my friends on Facebook messaged me. They're like, oh, great video, but do you think maybe you should be more professional? And I was like, oh my goodness. Those are the two things that I thought about the video when I put it out. So now I say, no, every video is good. Everyone thinks I'm amazing. Every video helps people. I've attached all these positive attentions to it. So that way, that's what comes back to me, because we really honestly get what we give. If we say, oh no, I don't think that person's going to like me. Oh no, I think I have upset them. No, you're creating that. No, they're going to love me. They think I'm amazing. They're happy. It doesn't matter what I do. They're going to love me unconditionally, you know? So, think about that in your relationships when you're worried. You know, the people that you're dating or manifesting back or looking to get into a serious relationship with, I mean, at the end of the day, if something's happened that you feel bad that you've upset them, you know, take a step back and say, no, they're understanding and forgiving people because, you know, at the end of the day, everybody just wants to be happy. And, you know, and everybody out there is going to be react and create whatever you put out there. They're just going to send back to you. So, you know, wish the best for everybody and, you know, always think positive about your situation because you are really the only person creating your reality. Everything in your reality is a direct result of what your thoughts are, and nothing is a coincidence and by accident. Nothing at all, right? You know, and to think, you know, really highly of yourself because you know what? You can. There's nothing wrong with thinking that you're amazing. There's nothing wrong with loving yourself. There's nothing wrong with saying that people think you're absolutely amazing. Nothing wrong with that at all. In fact, that's healthy. Anyways, that's my video for today. Thank you for commenting, sharing, liking, and subscribing. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.